everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to style your hair like this. It's basically like sexy, bouncy curls. I have partnered up with Nexxus for this video. So I'm gonna be using their Weightless Style collection, all to help me style my hair. It's what I use to get this beautiful finished product. I know everyone's excited, things are opening up. Can't wait to get back out there. So you guys need to relearn or find a new style. And I feel like this one is just like so great for a night out on the town. So if you're interested in learning how I got this style, as well as in learning more about the products that helped me get the style, then keep watching. All right, so here I have just some damp hair. Let me take my clip off. I just got out of the shower, did my makeup really quick, so my hair is still damp. So specifically for this video, I'm gonna be using the Nexxus Weightless Style collection. It's a 4-part collection to help style your hair without it being heavy. And if you guys are familiar with Nexxus products already, you would probably know that they use Protein Fusion for most of or all their shampoos and conditioners, and it's basically their own blend of proteins and nourishing ingredients to help restore and bring back anything that is lost with your hair. And so this time around with this weightless styling collection, they use Protein Lock. It's basically an invisible layer of protection for your hair so that it protects all the proteins in your hair and locks it in, because protein care doesn't just stop in the shower. It also should be continued on when styling your hair, because you can also still lose proteins through heat styling and whatnot. So I want to quickly go through the Weightless Style collection. So first off, we have the Prep and Protect leave-in spray right here. So this one is nice because you could use it on damp hair and also on dry hair. So this is basically like a leave-in, so it's going to detangle, make your hair smooth, but it's also going to protect your hair from any heat that you use, from any hot tools. It's just going to prep your hair for the whole styling process you're about to do. And then next we have the Smooth and Full Blow Dry Balm right here. It's a heat protectant, and it also helps with frizz, and it just really helps you manage your hair during the whole blowout process. And here we have the Ultrafine Hairspray. This is probably one of my favorite products from the line. It's kind of like a hairspray and texturizing spray in one. It's gonna give like a soft matte finish, give your hair some texture, but at the same time hold it all day, but not make it look crunchy or feel heavy. And then lastly, we have the Shape and Define Multi-Styler right here. So you basically use this at the end to kind of tame any flyaways. This one will add texture as well. It's basically like your finishing product. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna use the Prep and Protect leave-in spray right here. This one has hyaluronic acid, so it really gives your hair the hydration that it needs. Again, spraying it on damp hair. All right, so just brushing through my hair to disperse it evenly before we style. Okay, so for the actual styling portion of the video, I am going to be using this flat iron, but you can use any regular iron, curling iron that you have that's round. So usually I'm used to curling my hair with the hot tool facing up and down, but this time I'm going to keep it horizontal, kind of like old school curling days. So I'm just gonna take a section of the hair and curl the hair facing out and just curling. If you have a wand, you can do the same thing. Just keep going down through the hair till you get a more spiral curl like that. And the ends, I want a little bit more on the straight side. So I'm just gonna continue doing that throughout my whole head of hair. So like I mentioned, I am using the tool more like horizontally instead of vertically. This is what's going to give more of like a bouncier type of curl like that. And you can always just run it through if it's a little too curly for you. Whereas before I would just go straight up and down and it would give more of like a subtle curl instead of like that. So this is the finished look. It's a lot more bouncy than the curls that I'm used to doing. And also the leave-in spray just helped make it so easy and effortless for the hot tool to just go through my hair. I don't feel heavy or anything. As you can see, my hair just sits on top of each other really nicely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish it off with the hairspray. So again, this I love just because it's gonna give my hair a bunch of texture and hold the style all day long, but at the same time, it's just gonna give it that soft matte look because we want that effortless look. So there you go. As you can see how much more full it made it. And that's what I love about these products as well, is that when you spray the leave-in, you're not getting that residue that some products give. It's kind of like all about natural stylings. And it's a super fine mist. It's nothing like super thick. All right, so since I always get a lot of flyaways, I'm going to end off with the Shape and Define Multi-Styler just to kind of tame it, especially at the front ends right here. And just, you can add it to give more texture and just to really set the hair and finish it off. And this is what the product looks like. It's super creamy, but nothing too thick. All right, you guys, so that is a finished product. Now, this is nice also because it is a 4-part system. So this is basically all you need, whether you want to style your hair straight, do a blowout, do curls like I did, any type of hairstyle that you want to achieve. These 4 products can help you do it all. And who doesn't want weightless style with ease, an effortless look, and then just a style that lasts as well. So be sure to check out the description box below because all the info will be there. Links to shop will be there as well. You can get them all at Target. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments and give me a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.